Kasi like with me, ang mga close ko na friends, like mga college, I've known them for like, ilang years?
A while.
Secret. Ilang years na. So, the person that they know is the person that who I was nung college. And then when I'm with them, yung mga jokes namin same.
Yun pa rin.
Yung pinag-uusapan namin, same lang. So, parang, feeling ko, yung kausap ko, yung college self ko, like, bumabalik siya. But, as an adult, I feel like importante na meron kang mahanap na friends na who you are now.
Yung mga like, alam mo, sa
Kasi
past mo.
like, nagbabago yung mga tao eh. Like, palagi tayong nag-change through life. Like, example, nung college ako, like, kaya nga nagugulat sila, oh my gosh, nag-aerial ka, nagpo-pole ka.
Atletang Pinay.
Dati, tahimik ka lang sa likod. Alam mo yun? So, parang I feel like yun yung person. Di ako tahimik, but like, example,
The Dinkwap Show.